Hello and a warm welcome to Conny Decorates today. And Micha, the cameraman, is happy to be here again, as always, exactly 1 week before Christmas Eve, before Christmas. And that's why we have a fitting topic for today. We've simply taken our raffle box here, which is often used for giveaways, but today it's just going to be a vase decoration, I'd say. Exactly. And here we have the star, a DIY star with ho-ho, a bauble, a Christmas ornament, and lots of moss and pine cones. And if you want to know how it works, stay tuned because we're going to show you now. And here are the things we need today. Here we have the base. You can check it out up here in the info box. We made the jar with herbs. I just took them out. It smelled, or still smells, really, really wonderful. Just fantastic. But we thought a Christmas decoration because I found both of these down in the basement and I think this color fits perfectly. And since I still had this ribbon, I took it out again, just like this ribbon, which I also incorporated down here. And I think we had 3 different shades there. One was brown, then a kind of beige natural color, which you can hardly see, of course. And then this aubergine color, I would say. Then yesterday I found these little trees, the small firs. Then we also have the cushion moss, which I took from our table decoration. Well, Micha, that was really, really nice. But now I thought, okay, we have to make new decorations anyway, so I'll take it down again, and that's what I did. Then from the euphorbia, I still have the lowest parts here, these knobby pieces. I found them in the trash. Of course, I took them home with me. Then I also found some really tiny pine cones here. Here I also have some more pine cones and this ho-ho in gold and this star. And of course, I think that's fantastic too. You can change it up and use it decoratively, just like this string of lights. And of course, a hot glue gun and a pair of scissors. And I'd say, let's get started. Because today we're really in the mood to decorate, and by now we're in a great mood. And why is that, Micha? Because Finnick was gone, our cat, and now he's back. He was at the neighbors in their garage overnight. We spent many hours searching today. I had to make myself a really strong coffee first. We were all very depressed, really, the whole family. And Laura came over with her boyfriend. And actually, right at the end, they found signs of life from the cat in the garage here. And that's why we're in such a good mood and are making a completely natural decoration. And we're excited to make this decoration together with you. And now let's take the glass, and I'd say I'll start by putting some moss in here at the bottom. At first I thought about stuffing it a bit with floral foam or something like that. But I have so much moss that I can actually add a good amount of height with it. And that's why I'm going to lay it out here first. Once you have a little bit of height here, you can start taking a few pine cones, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm using the dark ones here, but I also really like these lighter ones because they add a bit of color variation. Especially up here later when the gold is added, you'll already have a bit of that tone, that brightness. And that's exactly what I'm going to fill in here with pine cones. Then I'll take the moss again and put some more on top here. And now I'm going to add the branches from the euphorbia, and you can simply just place them right in here as well, quite easily. And a bit more moss again. The remaining pine cones go in there too. And now I've really managed to get some good height in here because I really want to stick the star in here. And I'm checking because up here it doesn't fit anymore, so it stays here and now it's basically sticking out, which is exactly what I wanted. And now I'm going to carefully take a delicate little tree and gently work it in here between the soft green moss, and then I'll carefully take the other one too to thoughtfully add a bit more height. And here as well, the little tree goes in now. I'll cover it up again with some moss. It feels as though they gently lay in vast verdant fields where they peacefully kept watch, diligently working their way up through the lush green undergrowth, just like they were nestled deep within a serene and ancient little forest. And up here, I'm going to add a few more pine cones. You can just toss them in here, all mixed up, very natural. And yes, now I'm going to carefully work this intricate star in up here at a specific angle, positioning it just so. Let's just take a moment to observe this, and then I will gently set this piece aside for a little while, ensuring it is safely out of the way for now. And now I will carefully take my natural twine and securely fasten it down here. I have already tied a knot here and I've cut off a piece now, otherwise I wouldn't be able to get it through. And now I will gently wrap the twine around the star, around the silhouette. Then you can just use a little bit of hot glue here and there to secure it so it doesn't slip around. Following that, I carefully apply some hot glue, go around once and fix the twine to the star right here. I'll let it dry and then continue to keep wrapping it around. So, and this is now our natural star with a bit of aubergine up here. Exactly, and before we fix it here, I'd say let's just take the string lights, because I think a glowing star is always a good idea, right? It has to be included. Exactly. And now we take this, let me just untangle it real quick. We just had these on the table decoration as well, which was wonderful. But as I said, I'm going to fix it here now. And it's really practical because it's a wire string of lights. So I'll attach it up here to the ribbon. I'll start with the beginning and twist it around a few times, which is super handy, especially with these wire lights. Now I'll wrap it around the star a few times, around the silhouette, and secure it with the string lights. We've carefully wrapped the beautiful string lights all around, and now with great satisfaction I can gently place the lovely star right here perfectly. I truly want to set it at a slight appealing angle, if that's at all possible, and that's proving to be a little bit tricky actually, because it doesn't hold its position very well at all. So I'll just carefully stick it firmly in here. And now you can simply take the entire battery compartment and really try to meticulously work it deep into the soft moss and completely hide it from view. It's best to keep it up here so you can reach it to turn it on and off. And for now, I'm just going to put a bit more moss on top. But you could also hide it with jute ribbon or however you like. But moss is really practical here. And the ho 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 sign, the golden one, exactly, I think you can just fix it nicely right in the middle here. I've cut the jute ribbon a bit at the top here, and now I'm just going to tie it up here with a simple knot, and then you can hang it in here beautifully. I really think it's very cute. That fits quite well, doesn't it? Exactly, really nice and Christmassy. I'll cut off the rest up here now, and honestly I think a bauble looks wonderful. But now I'm also going to cut off the golden part here and very carefully just place it behind here. Look, now we have a bauble, two little trees and lots of natural elements. I think it's finished. That was our topic for today. A centerpiece or a vase. Exactly, with the little fir trees, with lots of natural elements, everything just placed inside, which of course also looks wonderful if you add a string of lights here, but I didn't want that this time. I wanted to highlight the star a bit, and of course we really hope that we inspired you with today's topic and that you enjoyed it. Then we'd be happy to get a thumbs up. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, Facebook. You'll find the buttons and the link down below. We'd love that. There are always little highlights there. And yes, Christmas is coming up fast now, Micha. Yes, exactly. And the anticipation is building. It's already quite, as you know, if you've watched our videos before, very decorative here with us, with all the string lights. So we really don't have much space left, but we always enjoy decorating with and for you. So dear ones, stay healthy. We send you hugs, yours Connie, and your Micha, your cameraman. See you soon, exactly. See you in a few days. Bye. Oh my goodness, wow, that was truly, really so incredibly deep, Noel. Nowhere.